Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have another Disney Pixar Cars, and this time it is from Cars 3, one of the few Next Generation racers, H.J. Hollis, who is the Next Generation N2O Cola racer. On the back are some other Cars 3 characters. Let's get H.J. Hollis out of his box. Surprisingly, these packages are a lot easy to open. Here is H.J. Hollis. So H.J. Hollis is one of the new Next Generation racers in Cars 3. And in fact, the first time you ever see this guy was after Jackson Storm's first win, which 6 cars were new Next Generation racers, and he was one of the 6. So here's the Cars 1 racer. He was Manny Flywheel, who is a light purple with some yellowish green. So we'll remove him because there's no similarities. And Parker Breakston. H.J. Hollis replaced this guy, like I said. Oh, you guys as well. So he had the 68 font, a newer version with the N2O Cola logo now, very different. And he is actually more green than Parker Breakston, who is more purple. Let's get a look at this guy. So there's the N2O. There's a little bit of blue, as you can see here and from here and on back, or maybe like a very darkish purple. The N2O Cola, the N2O is actually now green, as long as well on the spoiler. So the N2O Cola racers are mostly purple, which it does have some purple, but for H.J. Hollis, he is mostly green, basically. And also on the back, he has the rookie stripes, because he is a rookie. As like all Next Generation racers, they all have the cool wheels as well, and a different body shape as well. And also a purple hood and a purple hood and a purple top. Here's a 360 view. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and we'll be out soon. Thanks for watching.